So check out these live images of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra straight from China. Xiaomi is really pushing the boundaries with this one. On the back of the phone, you will notice a bunch of camera sensors. They could be in a squarish or possibly ongoing trend of circular module and similar to the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Additionally, Xiaomi has added extra supporting sensor for enhanced photography. Here is how Xiaomi 14 Ultra looks in comparison to the Xiaomi 13 Ultra in the same anti-leak case. And yes, the module is definitely smaller than the last generation flagship with several additional sensors present. The front still features quad curved edges and a small hole punch selfie camera, suggesting that Xiaomi may be reserving a full screen display and under display camera for a special flagship or in the future. It is worth mentioning that Xiaomi is collaborating with Lytia for color profiling as indicated by the Lytia authentic profile settings located at the top right corner of this image. Now this device has been given the codename Vinti. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra coded Vinti is going to feature a massive 5180 mAh battery size. Additionally, it will have a 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging capability. All of this will be combined with the Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chipset, which will make it a highly powerful flagship device. The 8 Gen 3 now has a 98% more powerful NPU for faster processing. The new CPU is 30% more powerful and 20% more power efficient. The GPU is 25% more powerful and power efficient as well. What makes this processor interesting is its support for a Unreal Engine 5 Lumen and improved ray tracing. In terms of gaming, this might put up a tough fight against the Bionic A17 Pro. So without a doubt, this is a significant improvement over the 8 Gen 2 chipset. Now in terms of camera, Xiaomi is equipping it with a 450 megapixel sensor on the back. These include the Sony LYT900 sensor as the main camera, dual telephoto lenses, a periscope camera, and lastly a super wide-angle sensor. In April, get ready for an incredible powerful flagship phone to hit the market. What's even more thrilling is that the new Xiaomi phone comes with the Hyper OS replacing MIUI, resulting in an awesome premium user experience. Check out this cool new Xiaomi Hyper OS logo, and guess what, they are even bringing it to other Xiaomi devices worldwide. So let me know what you think of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.